Shetland returned to BBC One on Wednesday evening for episode 3 of season 7. The installment ended quite literally with a bang when Detective Sergeant Alison Tosh McIntosh, played by Alison O'Donnell, got trapped in a caravan which exploded into flames. Viewers were left fearing for the character's life and are hoping she has not been killed off. During the installment, the police uncovered details of missing boy Connor's, Nicholas Nunn, safe place. The location was a caravan in a remote spot on the Shetland mainland, but the breakthrough in the case put Tosh in serious danger. Tosh took it upon herself to look inside the caravan without any backup as she believed she might find Connor or clues to where he has gone. The sergeant phoned her boss Perez, Douglas Henschel, to tell him she had found strange drawings in the caravan. Shetland fans work out Jimmy Perez's replacement. The situation turned dire when she noticed large chemical drums, wires and a timer counting down. Realizing it was set to explode, Tosh frantically tried to escape from the caravan, but she was locked inside. Meanwhile, a mortified Perez could only helplessly listen as the caravan exploded. There was no indication as to whether Tosh had miraculously survived the explosion when the credits rolled. Many viewers hit out on Twitter over the dramatic end of the episode as they were concerned the fan favorite was dead. Fritha commented, "No. Didn't see that coming. Why kill them off? #Shetland." Josh fumed, "Damn, you can't end it like that #Shetland." Samantha penned, "OST. #Shetland. I don't think I can wait till next week." Shetland Season 7 Episode 3 Cast, who is in the cast? Explainer Why did Douglas Henschel leave Primeval as Nick Cutter? Update Always going to be sad. Shetland's Douglas Henschel on quitting role. Interview Tim Galsworthy added, "If they've killed off Tosh, we riot #Shetland." And Rayersbach said, "Just watched #Shetland. What's happened to Tosh? Doesn't look hopeful." Andrew commented, #Shetland no, FK off. No way. Raging. Earlier on in the episode, many viewers were hoping Tosh would replace Perez as the detective inspector in Season 8. Perez actor Douglas is leaving the series and his replacement has not yet been announced. Tosh actor Alison spoke out about Douglas' exit ahead of the Season 7 launching. She gushed, "I'm also incredibly proud of what we achieved together, and I know he is too." The actress has not hinted her character would be leaving Shetland anytime soon, so has Tosh survived the explosion? Shetland Season 7 continues on BBC One on Wednesdays at 9 p.m.